Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about the Beauteque January baby bag. Usually I get sent a baby bag as well as a mask Maven, but the mask Maven hasn't turned up. So as usual, inside your baby bag you have your products, but you also have your little card too. So on the back of it it says get sheet faced, and it has like a little QR code reader, or you can enter the little portal there to see what products that you have in the bag and any links if you want to buy another one of them. This month as well they also have a little card that says that they're missing a product out of the bag. So I'm missing an Etude House Proof 10 Eye Primer, which is fine because I actually already have one. And so they've also given you 15% off your next renewal. So the box theme is Prime Time, pretty sure. Ooh. And there are actually some really big products in this one. This is the first time I'm seeing it, of course. So the first product is some kind of face cleaner. So this one is supposed to help skincare products foam up. It looks like you put product in there and it should foam up and then come out of the top here, and you can use that to like scrub your face. This is super cute, but I'm not sure if that is something that I will get very much use out of because my skin is very delicate. There is also a Farmstay Charcoal Blackhead Peel Off Nose Pack. I don't use these because I don't have blackheads or anything to peel off my nose, but I definitely know who I can give this one to instead. It definitely looks like a fun sort of product, and it's pretty big as well, which is really good. There is an NJ Care hand care pack, which are just like little moisturizing gloves that you can put your hands into. I have used a couple of these before, though not from this brand, and I don't find that they do all that much for my hands really. My hands really like a good thick like cuticle butter or like a really thick rich moisturizer rather than the pack, but I'm definitely keen to try it. It's interesting that it has niacinamide in it, but it also has sodium hyaluronate and shea butter, so it actually could be a really moisturizing mask. Instead of the Etude House product, they gave us the Yada Auto Gel Eyeliner, which is a goodbye smudge pen, so hopefully it won't smudge anything. Mine is in the shade brown and it looks like that. It's actually really nice and creamy, so I will definitely be giving this one a go. I love gel pens to do like a tight line, so just the inner rim of the top eyelashes. You have a couple of products that are wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is a Keratin Silk Protein Hair Glaze, and I have no idea what a hair glaze is, but it says the directions are to smooth a small amount over your hair after drying and then use your fingers or brush to make a desired style. It kind of smells awful. It smells, I'm so mean, it smells like a toilet cleaner because it's like a lemon kind of scent. I wish that it wasn't. This is such a big container. That's 500 mils as well. So I'll definitely give it a go, but my hair is super dry because it is quite bleached. So that's the colour comparison between my natural colour at the top and the bleach bits at the bottom. So I'm not sure if that's going to be quite enough for my hair, but we'll give it a go. And then the last product is bubble wrapped as well, and I have no idea what this is. So these are called Candy Crush Cleansers. So it says take one from the can and place it on your hand, put water on top of the product, then make some bubbles and clean your face with it. Wash your face with warm water after cleansing. So I'm interested to see how these go, but I'm not sure if I will use them all up. They do contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a foaming agent, but it is really stripping for the skin. Yeah, so they do have some interesting extracts in them, like Siberica wood extract, chrysanthemum indicum extract, but nothing like that would be that great for my skin. So I will try these out, but I don't think that they're going to be something that I'm going to use personally, but they are a really interesting concept. Do let me know if you would like me to review them, because I guess they are quite a cute concept, but yeah, I'm just disappointed by the ingredients in these basically. So that is it for my Beauteque box in January. I'm a bit gutted that I didn't get the Mask Maven as well, but I have no idea what happened with that. I literally waited until the last minute to film this just in case it did turn up. So it is Tuesday today and this review goes up not Wednesday but Thursday. So I need to go and edit it now, but I don't know what happened to the other box. So as you can see from all of these stuff behind me, I just got a whole bunch more post and in it was the Mask Maven. So I knew I was waiting for something. I also got the February ones at the same time, so I don't know what's happening there, but I just have 2 sets to open today and that's still a lot of fun. So this mask Maven was sent to me separately, so you can see the tag on the back, but usually they actually come both in a box like this. So this is the January mask Maven, and just like the BB bag, it has your normal brochure on top, and again the sticker says prime time. So as normal, we have 9 full-size masks in the mask Maven, and I'm going to run through them really quickly because I obviously don't have time to try them, so it's just going to be sort of a first impressions, but that's kind of what I do normally. So I find that if I try the masks, the video just goes on for way too long and it's not interesting. So the first one is an MG gel, which is a black food MG gel under eye mask. I absolutely love little under eye masks, so these are definitely going to be ones that I try out really quickly. There are 2 of these very interesting looking masks, and the brand is NOHJ. I'm not sure if that's short for something. This is a Korean brand, and these ones look like they have a really pretty pattern on them. It looks almost like gold leaf and white, but I'm not sure how much of that is the outside packaging and how much is the actual mask. So we have one that is an aloe mud mask and then a tea tree mask. So I'm very interested in them. I don't really do mud masks that often, so I'm not sure how much I will like them, but we'll give them a go anyway. There's another Goodall mask. I actually really like the Goodall masks. This one is a waterfall moisture, which contains hyaluronic acid. So this is going to be a really nice one for when my skin is super dry. We have an MJ Care Fill the Black sheet mask. That's a really odd description. So this is a premium charcoal black mask. I don't really do charcoal masks that often, but this one does have niacinamide in it as well, so it will be a little bit brightening. I just find that charcoal masks usually dry my skin out quite a lot, so I don't love them quite as much. There's an It's Skin pomegranate mask. I think I've already had one of these before and I didn't like it that much, so that's going to go in the giveaway pile. This is a new brand. This is the Intia Vitamin B Water Pack After Overwork. So this looks really fun. It has no English on it, so I can't tell you anything about the ingredients, but it's got really cute packaging at least. It's kind of like blue on the back and then blue with pink background on the front. And then the last 2 are from the same brand. So these are Frinvita, I think. So this one is an octopus sucker black mask sheet. Oh, they both are. Okay, what does that mean? Does that mean that they're just going to stick on really well? It says perfect skin adhesion. So this one is an aqua gold glow mask, and this one is a firming gold glow mask. So I'm hoping that they are going to be gold, but from the black sucker mask sheet, I think that they are going to be the black ones, which actually do look a little bit scary on me, but still very excited to try these ones out. So that was in the Mask Maven as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it wasn't too weird going from morning to night. I literally went out to work for about 3 hours and then came back for lunch and the other boxes were here. So thank you guys so much for watching this review, and I will see you next time. Bye!